how to fix 404 page not found error in GitHub. So if you want to fix 404 page not found error in GitHub, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser, make sure that you have your internet connection, and then search for GitHub. After searching, make sure that you've signed into your account. Now go with your profile, which is here on the left side. Just click on it. Once you're here, you need to go with settings, which is on the top. And under settings here on the left side, you will have a bunch of options. You need to go with pages. And under pages, make sure that you've selected deploy from a branch. And under your pages, make sure that you've selected deploy from a branch. And then under your branch, you need to select main. So in my case, I have none. But if you have an option of main, you need to go and select main. After selecting, you can go with save. And after saving, you can just simply refresh your page, and it will fix your issue. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.